is good enough, there is no need for the slide. So if we are so itchy to show the slides, then do not say clear enough. Say something that is so confusing or so vague that we need a slide to clarify whatever that we have said. For example, we want to say, go back to your example, I went to Indonesia. And you look at the crowd and people say, what is Indonesia? Or where is Indonesia? Okay, then there is a need for slide. Here it is, next to Malaysia. Then the visual is actually aiding you. Otherwise, it's just there to distract the audience from you, and they are looking at your slides better than looking at you. And we don't want that. Okay, let's attempt to use less slides and only show them when the time comes. If you're using PowerPoint, you can actually hit B to blacken the slides, or W to
White.
to make it white, but you don't want it white because then it's too bright. So hit B normally. Okay? So that's that for this time. Next time something else. Go ahead.